Here we go. Nice and tight first up, but first runs for the Renegades.
Off the back of a few players. Shot! That's 6. Great shot.
4 more.
I know the Thunder do this a lot where they bowlers bowl 1 over, but...
Oh, he gets hold of it. Third time lucky, Marcus Harris. And he just drops it short again. Skies it, uses the pace. As that gets pulled away, it should be 4. It is 4. Oh,
could be
he stumped yet. Apologies, Phil Gillespie is the TV umpire.
Thank you.
Right, so he's happy with that. And yeah,
thank you.
very clearly out of his ground. Has he got the timing on this one? Yes, he has. Another 4 for Marsh.
Shot. Good shot. Late cut. Just a bit of room.
Shot. Shot of the day, that one.
That'll be 4. Yeah. Oh.
Gets it through. Sure, Marsh.
Well, it did. Good shot. That will be 4.
Back the ball so well and end up getting 96. I think I might have to retire from there.
As that has been slapped away.
It's a tough school up here.
Well, Sean Marsh, he was on the verge of 50. Oh, he's connected with this one. We saw a couple of these. Left and 1 from Cook. 1 over as he swats this away to the leg side and taken.
I think the right decision, though. Good shot from Harper through the covers. That will be 4.
Just about there. He may have got it, though.
The lack of confidence.
Oh, good connection, is it?
That's
Has he
gone.
hit it hard enough? He has. 6er.
Oh, shot.
That's the way to do it with 5 leg up.
That's the shot.
Hello, over mid-off.
6 more. I reckon that's hit the rope on the full.
Well, that could be out. Yes, he's been given. He should have been given the over before.
Oh, rocket.
Shot down the ground. Mohamed Nabi.
Oh, he's got it.
Oh, he smoked it.
Whoosh.
He has absolutely smoked it. 6 off the final ball of the innings. Mohamed Nabi. What a cameo from him. Chips it. He won't get off the mark. Let's slip in play though, Brett. Edge taken, is it? Sam Harper's interested. All of the Renegades are interested.
He saw. That's just a blatant nick. And that's a great snare.
That is a great catch. Tucked away. That'll be 4.
Oh, that has been smashed through the covers. Alex Hales loves it there. More runs. There should be 4 as well.
Oh, that could be out.
Yeah, I think that's out. Unless his feet are in, be upset with you.
They're going to light it up, I think. Yep.
Yeah, thank you. Freeze it there.
Inside edge.
Oh, it's a late
Oh, it's
one.
been given.
Yeah, well, there's...
Oh, look, I can't believe this. This is so annoying to me, watching cricket. A little bit of drizzle and they're off.
Yeah.
Oh,
And here he
that's
goes.
big.
That is huge. Oh, is this a good strike? Is it good enough to go over? It is.
Yeah, get on the
Off
rope.
the boundary as he
it's
goes
all.
again. He's powered this down the ground.
As they say.
Oh,
Oh,
that sounded good. No,
it's gone
I don't think
high.
it's gone long enough.
that's a good shot. That'll be 4.
He slapped it away to the leg side, but it falls straight into the hands of Will Sutherland.
Shot.
Nailed it. Gone.
Got him.
Oh, it's gone too. Is it? Get up. Yep.
It is
It's
up, June. It's
Go
up.
on.
Oh, he's got him again.
he's hammering it. That's 4-2. Go on. Oh, he's bowled him!
Dan Christian.
Well bowled.
Trouble. Got to come back. Oh, look out! That was nearly a head-on. Oh,
Nathan McAndrew, get out of the way.
he's nearly head-butted Alex Ross.
That was almost M. War, M. Elliott.
Oh,
But it does
Well
mean
batted.
great 50. Great 50.
Yep.
Chipped away. Safe? No. Tonight. That's a good shot. That'll be 4.
But the Renegades have held their nerve at the right times. And 2 runs to complete.